with us today. Ano ba yung mga tips mo on how to age gracefully dito sa Mars Sharing Group?
Ay, ang sweet. O, diba? Parang tayo lang. Mga Mars, chinek namin kasi ang Instagram account ni Miss Dawn.
Aside from just looking young, what honestly keeps you young? Kasi syempre, it also comes from the inside eh.
I think
we take care of our skin outside. We also have to take care of our skin inside. So I always take collagen.
Many celebrities share the secret of whitening skin, clearing acne, and removing wrinkles in just 2 weeks. No spa, no expensive cosmetics, just using glutathione.
Check natin, tingnan natin yung product nila. Of course, L-glutathione, collagen, okay? Oh, may ano siya, cysteine. So, bakit ako Na-impress lang ako kasi alam ko ang mga available na supplement na gluta online. Hindi lahat merong cysteine, hindi lahat hinahaluan nila ng cysteine sa formulation nila. So, Doc, ano ba yung cysteine? Very important kasi ito sa synthesis ng gluta sa katawan natin. Kung naalala nyo dun sa nauna kong video, may kakayahan yung cells natin to produce its own glutathione. And para makapag-produce ng glutathione na final na chemical, kailangan ng cysteine na component. So, kung walang cysteine, walang silbi yung glutathione. Merong study yung PubMed. Lalagay ko yung link sa baba. Effects of oral supplementation of L-cysteine associated with reduced L-glutathione. So, ang sabi sa conclusion ng study, daily oral administration of L-glutathione and cysteine during 12 weeks was safe treatment to effectively lighten the skin and reduce the dark spots sa mga Asian women or Asian pa talaga yung subjects nila. So, sabi sa study na to, very effective nga yung combination ng L-glutathione and cysteine. Another thing, kung yung goal nyo talaga is magkaroon ng healthy and young looking skin, maganda rin kasi meron siyang collagen. So, collagen, ang main function niyan sa katawan is to establish integrity sa skin natin, sa ligaments, sa mga connective tissues. Yan. Collagen supplementation improves skin hydration, elasticity, and density. And sabi nga sa conclusion ng study, since the collagen peptides and the skin nutrients were taken orally, the effects reach the deeper layers of the skin and sustainably improve skin physiology and appearance. Yan. So, sa madaling salita, kapag nagtitake daw tayo ng collagen supplementation, maganda ang effects sa skin lalo na sa appearance ng balat natin.